a five-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India is scheduled to hear petitions seeking a review as to a judgment that was dated back to October of last year of the Supreme Court, which refused to legalize same-sex marriages. Now, the Supreme Court on Tuesday did not agree to give an open court hearing on the review petition challenging the top court judgment, but refused to legally recognize the same-sex and queer marriages. But this is now going to be done in chambers, and that's coming up in a court today. And to get more on this, we have my colleague Sunil Prabhu joining us. Sunil, same-sex marriages, these are same-sex couples demanding a legal status in order to be able to, adopt children or to perhaps buy a property jointly. So take us through why legal recognition is so important.
Well, this is an important case for the Supreme Court because it's a five-judge bench which is hearing this entire matter. The entire, gamut. This is, of course, there'll be two new judges, Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Nagaratna. But the most important aspect about it is that this is going to really review what the judgment had already decided. There were two, for the union, three against it. They gave their reasons. And it's in that backdrop now that the Supreme Court will first decide whether they should hear this matter in an open court. This is a constitutional case. This is an in-chamber hearing. And then look at whether there has been anything, in terms of law, in terms of the judgment, has something gone erred. And it's in that backdrop, can they do a review of the entire petition? The petitioners, of course, yesterday made a plea before the Chief Justice of India to do it in the open court that the Chief Justice of India deferred against. We'll see today when that in-camera hearing takes place, whether they decide to hear it in the open court. And if so, then what will be the grounds for relooking at the entire judgment?